Good question. I think this is the biggest issue in the room, the liberty issue of the right to know whether our food is genetically modified or not. This year, it just got passed through the Supreme Court, and they need 86,000 signatures to put it on the ballot. Any thoughts on right to know?
I agree with it. So government is here to protect us against individuals, groups, corporations that would do us harm. I have celiac disease. Celiac disease is the #1 undiagnosed disease in the world. I'm allergic to wheat, rye, and barley. I'm allergic to gluten. And there are people in this room that are allergic to gluten that don't know it, but you are. And you need to test for it. But when it comes to labeling, government needs to label my food or I can't eat it. Otherwise I eat poison. So when it comes to food, the notion of labeling food, I think that's a legitimate government function. The notion that this is required. Now, I've been in a lot of arguments over this. Eat the product, and then if I get sick, I'll never eat it again? I'm sorry. I think that comes under general protection.